move up a little.
Come. It's a real cow. Come. Come on. Over there. You see it? Come on. Really?
No, don't put that in there.
The cow's gonna have to eat it.
Yeah, but you have to get it back.
He tearing that pumpkin up.
What does a cow say, Savannah? Huh?
No.
What is that?
It's like doo-doo. Oh, it stinks.
Hold it.
He's got chest hair. Yeah, so when
Bit me. That bit me, Mom.
it's taking
Oh, yeah. Oh, those ones are cute.
Go slow. It's a unicorn. It's not a unicorn. It's a horse. No, it's a unicorn. No, it's a unicorn. What? No, it's a unicorn. Horsey, look.
What does the horse say?
It's a snake.
Oh, you trying to feed him?
Yeah.
Well, he's not over here.
Oh, huh? Ah, look. Oh. Right there. Right there. Come. Yay. Oh, it's a cow. Mommy.
Yes, it's a cow.
Move, move, move.
Before we get going, though, I do have 3 rules to go over. Rule number 1, while the wagon is in motion, we are indeed a family-owned and family-run farm. If you go around and see people wearing these green shirts that say team member, they're almost all going to be members of the family or close friends of the family. You can find the pumpkin patch. If you have not yet found your pumpkins, they are on the right side of the wagon. Of course, we had all these cows, they had to feed them. We see them hay during the year. We sort of in the corner we just went by are some cheese under that tree. They're cute behind the fence. We do also have some out in the field here.
I want cookies for breakfast and make some
These
bacon.
are yummy dough pigs. We only got them in the pasture.
So the pig?
So we'll talk about the different cows. So
And what do
behind
they
me,
say?
We have that, and I can't work it walking. You know what he did?
Where's Snake?
Absolutely nothing. He did not care. Anyway, and we'll keep them until they weigh somewhere between 1,700 to 1,800 pounds. At that point, the Angus cows will go off. Very temperature. And then they'll come back a couple of weeks after that.
All right.
Well, the cow has the one.
You want to pick it up? Ugh. Woohoo!
Yeah. We'll get a couple of these ones. Get pick another one for you and for.
No, this is her time of year.